I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna leave it blonde. No. Let's get some pink in here. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is Pink Color Melt Ombre. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share, comment down below. What are we getting into today? I need to throw some pink back in the mohawk. I went ahead and pre-lightened my hair yesterday just to kind of let it rest. So it's pre-lightened, it is pre-toned with just Shimmer Lights conditioner. We'll talk about that in another video, I think. Do you guys want to see that? Comment down below. How do I get it in one lift? Boom, white, gorgeous. Yes, I can show you. Comment if you'd like to see this. But what we're gonna do today is an ombre of pink. I've been wearing my mohawk in a dark to light color design. And that's just what ombre means, dark to light. So we are going to start with, and today we are going to use Pravana. You know, I went to the beauty supply just to pick up like some quick manic panic and they didn't have my shade. So I'm like, you know what? Pravana, let's go. And to my surprise, they had a neon pink. So we are going to incorporate these tones today. I don't even know if I'm gonna use the magenta or if I wanna, let's see how dark the neon pink is. And we're just gonna kind of make that decision as we go. Great. So, first things first. Let's pour out our color. Let's make some decisions. I've got my bowls, I've got my brushes, I've got my color key. I'm ready to go. Let's take a look at this Pravana Chromasilk Vivids Pink. Whoop, whoop. I don't know, that light pink is pretty pink, but we'll see how she processes. That is their light pink. Let's take a gander at the Pravana Chromasilk Vivids Magenta. Crack open magenta. See what we're working with. Yeah, that is definitely magenta. Okay. Almost looks red on camera. Ooh. And our Pravana Chromasilk Vivids Neon Pink. This will be a good one to blacklight test, I think. Okay, it definitely has a neon quality. Doesn't look too far off from our light pink though, so let's see how they go. Okay. So I have a little swatch here. I'm gonna show you what we're going to accomplish here, because it's probably gonna be a little easier to see than applying on my head. Great. Let's begin with, this will also give me a chance to look at the tones before I apply them onto my head. Yeah. So we're gonna start with the magenta. You know what, actually, sometimes I like to start at my ends and then do the root when I'm doing an ombre color melt, just because it's easier to work through the ends when they already have that color in them. So let's start that way. Let's go with our light pink. Pink. We're gonna start in the ends. Go ahead and comb that bad boy through. Make sure we're saturated. Start at my ends. I'm gonna go in with my root color, the magenta. My swatch. I'm just gonna hold it with my thumb. That makes me nervous. I usually go from like a very cool, dark, very violet base magenta. But let me look at this neon. So, darkest color, lightest color. Oh, I like the neon though. And I'm gonna kind of just melt that with our fingers. Melt that into each other. Or, you can take your brush, you can feather down a little bit. So that's basically what we're doing here. I just don't know if that's what I want right on my roots. I'm gonna let this swatch process for a few moments, and then I'm gonna make that final decision if this is the pink going on my roots. I wanna see if it still has that reddish quality when it rinses out. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, swatch is ready. We do in fact have magenta. It is not red. I double checked my lighting here just to like check her out. So this is what we're going for, this deeper root ombre. I thought the ends would come up a little bit lighter, but it's okay that they have more pigment to start. It gives us somewhere to go. So let's apply. First things, let's get a little Vaseline. Try to protect my hairline a little bit. And this way we remove less color later. And I just want to be sure not to get that Vaseline in the hair itself because it'll block the color out. I'm going to start in the back. I don't need perfect sections, but I'm gonna work in this larger section back here first. I'm gonna start with my lightest shade, apply that right into the ends. And this, you can get kind of sloppy with. That's why I like starting with the ends first. Go back through, little half-inch sections. Go ahead, get that color on the hair. Great. Now, I'm gonna go back through with our neon. I'm gonna move a little bit up. Again, what I like about the ombre color melt look is it's not really about so much precision as it is just moving product through the hair, getting them to blend into each other. Makes it less worrisome to do the back of your own head. Now we're getting up front, so this is where I get a little more precise. So right in that midsection. Mid-strand and ends, we've got a nice little melty blend going with the light pink and the neon pink. So now we're gonna go in to the roots. We're gonna start right in the crown. Now I'm gonna think of this like a shadow root. I'm gonna like tap this in. This, our deepest magenta tone. So I'm gonna start here at my crown. I'm gonna move backwards. I'm gonna go in half-inch sections, maybe quarter-inch. Let's see how I divide. We're just gonna tap, 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 tap. And I'm kind of fanning my brush up. Kind of flicking it off. Melt it in, melt it in. There we go. Okay, let's go backwards. You can even go in, instead of just going down, kind of angle your brush. Get some little like angle swipes in there. I'm just gonna double check the sides back here. It's okay if I get a bunch on my skin. I don't really mind. Don't mind. Double checking the perimeter of my hair. Moving forward. Go, that's not a great section, but this is fine. It doesn't have to be super precise, like I said. I'm just gonna tap it onto the roots. Fan, 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 I'm a fan. And I'm going in teeny tiny little sections here, like 1/16 of an inch. Just to make sure I'm getting a ton of coverage, since I'm not going like both ways in the section. I'm just taking tiny veils of color and just tapping it in so I don't get too much depth right in my bang area. Okay, so just right up front, I'm just gently tapping. Let's get any little renegades. Okay. I'm just gonna double check my perimeter right up front. You know, make sure all of our roots are smothered and covered. Okay, and I'm gonna give everything just one quick comb through. Just to make sure we are all melted in together. Now, I'm gonna let this process for 30 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna rinse her out. We're gonna see how our ombre looks. Okay, we are rinsed out and ready to rock and roll. Do you like the towel? I love this towel. It's like a microfiber, little turby twist kind of dealy-do. I got it out of one of my subscription boxes, Ipsy. Check out my subscription box videos. They're a lot of fun, and you get a lot of great products you can just keep using over and over and over. This towel is so soft, I love it. Okay, so, loving what I'm seeing so far. But we're gonna style her up, blow her out, and take a look at what we have going on. All the products that I'm using in this video, I'm gonna tag in the description box down below. These are affiliate links, so if you decide to purchase any of the products that we're using today, be it any of the 3 Pravana colors or this amazing Sebastian Potion 9 styling treatment, that kickback helps me help you. I'm gonna bring you more videos. I'm gonna buy more products. We're gonna test them out here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna generously saturate my hawk with this Sebastian Potion number 9 styling treatment. This is a touchable styling product. Touchable, workable, reworkable, a lot of fun. I'm gonna grab my blow dryer and my round brush and I'm gonna go to town. So, how do I blow out my mohawk? I know it's so hard to talk over the blow dryer. I'm gonna do bangs forward. We're gonna take everything in, get the back real nice, and then roll it all back. Here we go. All right, got it airformed to where I want it. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of the Sebastian Matte Putty Texturizer. Palms, fingers, start at the crown. Okay, I'm gonna hit my ends with a little touch of a heavier oil. This is the Sella Essential Balm Miracle Multi-Use Oil. Tiny dab of this. Palms, fingers. Start with a little product. Just gonna take that into my ends. Look at this ombre. Yeah. So that magenta into the neon, into that nice light pink. Oh, that is, yes. And that's it, that's how I do it. Easy peasy. Finish it off with a little bit of the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. I want a lightweight touchable hold tonight, because you know I'm going out now that I've done my hair. Thank you guys so much for joining me today while we did this pink color melt ombre. Had a really fun time. It's kind of like finger painting. It's super easy to do. It's a lot of fun to do. It's my own personal little therapy to just melt those colors together. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday to help give your look a kiss. In between Tuesdays, you can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss, or check me out at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, you can book an appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth. We'll do some fun hair, we'll have a great time. But until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.